Hey guys, welcome to Featured by Crema. So here are 8 creative ideas to enhance your thrift business. Okay, number 1, embroidery. If your needle game is good, then why not use it to enhance your thrift? Let's say you buy a regular tee or a regular dress. What if you used embroidery to enhance the look of the clothing in just a little design on the body to take it from 0 to 10? People are doing it. You shouldn't sleep on it. Another one I definitely recommend is accessorizing. So let's say you're not good with embroidery. That's okay. You can decide to use lace, buttons, or any random thing you feel you can add to a clothing to make it look much better. I've seen someone who uses lace to enhance their thrift. So they add laces to jeans, to dresses, and whatnot. You don't even need tailoring skills for this. You might just outsource, but it would definitely be an advantage to you if you could do it yourself. But if you're not into that, what about matching accessories? So you cannot sew, you cannot pick out patterns and clothing and whatnot. That's fine. What about handmade tote bags, scrunchies, bracelets that goes with the outfits that you have on sale? So all I'm saying is make a matching accessory that complements the dress you have. So your customer is not just buying a cloth, but they're buying something that goes with it, something that complements the look very well. Another one would be patches. I should have added this with embroidery. I've seen people add patches on clothes. I don't know if this one is a very good idea, but people create patches with punch needles and then they iron them or stitch them to clothing. That's a nice way to, I don't know if there's a way to incorporate that into what you're doing. I don't know. That one just sounded nice in my head. Next one is starch. I've seen people bleach clothes and they turn out better. Honestly, I think this one is mostly for t-shirts, tees. Yeah, I've seen people bleach a lot of tees and jeans. Let's say you thrift tees and jeans and you decided to use starch to create beautiful designs and stuff. I think that would be nice. Another one would be mystery gifts. So that's just an incentive to get your customers to, expect something. If you buy something from me, you're gonna get a mystery gift. The more you buy, the better your chances are getting a better gift. It's as simple as that. I don't know. It's just a way to enhance your customer experience as well. Give them something to look forward to outside what they're purchasing. It's a nice one. Yeah, I'm sure you know how to do your costing and all that. Next one, brooches and scarves. You can decide to start selling brooches alongside your clothing. I think this is also part of accessorizing, if you ask me. Even scarves, you can do scarves as well. There are various uses for scarves. On your head, you can tie it to a handbag, you can tie it to your shoes. There are various ways to incorporate a scarf to a look. Or even matching jewelry, that's nice too. So instead of just buying a dress and go looking for something else, they're buying a complete look from you. Another one is bedazzling. Adding rhinestones to clothing can just take it from 0 to 100. If you got time, why not? So taking a regular cloth and adding some rhinestones where you think could make the cloth look exquisite, make it look fabulous, I think that would be a unique selling point. Honestly, your clothes will just be blinging and I think it wouldn't even make it look like thrift anymore. Or even beading. If you're good with beadwork and you feel like you can incorporate beadwork to whatever clothing you got, have at it. Go ahead. Last but not least, tie and dye. Okay, this one might just be for those that are focused on tees as well. I don't know about tie and dye, but I know it would work if you try. Oh well, that's all I have. Let me know if these ideas work, and if you have a better idea, let me know in the comments. And I guess I'll see you on my next video. By the way, I am confused as hell as to what to do on this channel. So you guys let me know if this kind of video is what I should keep doing, because I have a lot of ideas and it's driving me insane, to be honest. Anyway, thank you so much for listening to my whatever that was, and I'll see you in my next video. Toodles!